As a real estate agent, I use this WhatsApp broadcast technique to send bulk WhatsApp messages to my new leads or my existing customers on WhatsApp. Yes, here on my screen you can see a new WhatsApp message that I'm going to send to all my new leads whose data I have in this Google Sheet. So I'm going to send this WhatsApp broadcast to all my customers to start engaging with my leads on WhatsApp. But now manually sending WhatsApp message to each and every contact would have taken me a lot of time. That's where I got up an amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution that allowed me to send the WhatsApp messages in bulk and close more deals in a very limited time. So now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can also show you that if you're using my coupon code, then you are going to get maximum discount offered by Pabbly irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase right now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here on the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So now here I am going to access broadcast section for the same. But before that, let me tell you that I have created a message template using which I am going to send this WhatsApp broadcast. And here I have created this message template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account only. Here if you wish to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so firstly I'm going to show you the template that I have created under this template section. Here you can see the total number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. And now here let me show you the template that I'm going to use. So this is that particular message that I have drafted with the image that I have attached over here. So now here my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. If you want to learn how you can create this template in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section and here you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on this add broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. Firstly, select the type as broadcast campaign, give a name to your broadcast. I'm going to give it as real estate. Moving forward, and then it is asking us to select the contact list. So I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. And as you know that I'm going to send this message to all the details, to all the contacts whose detail I have in this Google Sheet. So in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. For that, we are going to access this contact section. Under contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of existing contact list. To create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add single contact, add the details over here, and to add in bulk, select this option. Then here you need to upload a CSV file for the data. But as you know that I have data in a Google Sheets format, that means I need to download this file in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here. Click on this import contacts and automatically bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. Let me select the same from the drop down. You can select multiple lists as well. Then comes the refine audience. So using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send the WhatsApp broadcast. Here you can exclude the contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. Also, you can exclude some contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. For now, I have not added any. Then comes the message type. You can see two options. First is pre-approved and the other one is regular message. If you want to send regular message, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So let's select the template that I'm going to use. This is the template, and here I'm going to upload a media for the same. Also, you can make this message more personalized by adding variables. For now, I've used the basic one. Alright, so I've added the template, and now here it is asking us to test the broadcast. So before sending it to the wider audience, I'm going to send it on my WhatsApp number to test this broadcast message. So I've added my name, and then here we're going to add the number. Now we're going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. You can see instantly a new message has been received with the same message template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Now here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then comes the automatic retry of failed contacts. So let's suppose that if your WhatsApp broadcast message fails to be sent to some valid contacts, then if you're going to turn on this button, it is automatically going to retry to send the same broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts. For now, I'm going to turn it off. Then here we are going to click on this add broadcast message, and you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here. Now once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, let me tell you that you can also resend this broadcast message from this failed option to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option available over here if you have not turned the retry button in the WhatsApp broadcast section. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how a real estate agent use WhatsApp broadcast to close more deals. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.